Hello, welcome to English Made Simple. I am Lewis. This is Lesson 5. Today is a very special lesson. Today, we learn our first real conversation in English. A conversation is when two people talk together. Today, we learn how to say hello, how to say your name, and how to meet someone new. This is very important. Every day in every country, people say hello. People ask, "What is your name?" This lesson will help you do that in English. Let us begin. First, let us listen to a short conversation. Listen carefully. Do not worry if you do not understand every word. Just listen. Person A says, "Hello, my name is Anna." Person B says, "Hello, my name is David. Nice to meet you." Person A says, "Nice to meet you too." "Where are you from?" Person B says, "I am from Spain." "And you?" Person A says, "I am from Japan." Person B says, "That is wonderful, welcome." That is the conversation. Now let us learn it together, word by word, sentence by sentence. The first word is hello, hello, hello. Say it with me. Hello, hello, hello. Very good. Hello is the most important word in English. You say hello when you meet someone. Hello. Hello, hello. Now the next word, my. My, say it with me. My. My means something belongs to you. My name, my bag, my friend, my. My, now name. Say it with me. Name. Your name is what people call you. My name, your name, his name, her name. Name. Now we put it together. My name is. Say it with me. My name is. Now you say your name. My name is, and then say your name. Let us practice. I will say, my name is Lewis. Now you say yours. My name is good. Let us go back to the full first line. Hello, my name is Anna. Hello, my name is Anna. Hello, my name is Anna. Say it with me. Hello, my name is Anna. But use your name. Say, hello, my name is your name. Very good. Now let us learn the reply. Person B says, "Hello, my name is David." Hello, my name is David. Hello, my name is David. Say it with me. Hello, my name is David. Now with your name. Hello, my name is you. Excellent. Now the next phrase. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Say it with me. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. This is very important. When you meet someone for the first time, you say, "Nice to meet you." Nice. Nice means good, pleasant, kind. Meet. Meet means to see someone for the first time. You is the person you are talking to. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Now the reply to nice to meet you. You say, "Nice to meet you too." Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Say it with me. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Too means also. Nice to meet you, and I also feel nice meeting you. Nice to meet you too. Let us practice together. I say, "Nice to meet you." You say, "Nice to meet you too." Ready? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Again, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Good. Now the next question. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Say it with me. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? This question asks about your country, your home country. Where Where asks about a place. Are you? Are you? From tells us the starting place. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Now the answer. I am from Spain. I am from Spain. I am from Spain. Say it with me. I am from, and then your country. I am from. Say your country. I am from. Very good. Let us hear some examples. I am from Turkey. I am from Brazil. I am from Egypt. I am from South Korea. I am from Italy. I am from Mexico. All correct. All beautiful. I am from your country. Now the next line. And you. And you, and you. This is a very short question. And you. It means what about you? We already asked the big question. And now we ask again shorter. And you, and you, and you. Say it with me. And you, and you, and you. The last line from the dialogue. That is wonderful. Welcome. That is wonderful. That is wonderful. Say it with me. That is wonderful. That is wonderful. That is wonderful. Wonderful means very, very good. Amazing, beautiful. That is wonderful. Welcome. 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 Welcome means I am happy you are here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Now let us review the full dialogue one more time. Slowly, together. Are you ready? Person A, hello. My name is Anna. Person B, hello, my name is David. Nice to meet you. Person A, nice to meet you too. Where are you from? Person B, I am from Spain. And you? Person A, I am from Japan. Person B, that is wonderful. Welcome. Now let us practice with your real information. I will ask the questions. You answer out loud. Ready? Hello, what is your name? Say, my name is your name. Good. Now, where are you from? Say, I am from your country. Excellent. Now say the full introduction by yourself. Say, hello, my name is your name. I am from your country. Nice to meet you. Say it again. Hello, my name is your name. I am from your country. Nice to meet you. One more time. Hello, my name is your name. I am from your country. Nice to meet you. Perfect. You just had your first English conversation. Let us now look at a variation. Sometimes you meet someone and you ask their name. You say, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Say it with me. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? And the answer, my name is your name. My name is your name. My name is your name. Another variation. Instead of nice to meet you, some people say, good to meet you. Good to meet you. Good to meet you. Same meaning, good to meet you. Or pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. All three are correct. Nice to meet you. Good to meet you. Pleased to meet you. All mean the same thing. All are polite. All are friendly. Say it with me one more time. Nice to meet you. Good to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Today you learned many things. You learned how to say hello. Hello. You learned how to say your name. My name is. You learned how to ask someone's name. What is your name? You learned how to respond when you meet someone. Nice to meet you. You learned how to ask where someone is from. Where are you from? And how to answer, I am from your country. These are the most important phrases when you meet someone new. Practice them tonight. Say them to yourself. Say them to a friend. Say them in the mirror. Hello, my name is your name. I am from your country. Nice to meet you. In the next lesson, lesson 6, we will learn how to say goodbye, how to end a conversation politely, how to say see you later, goodbye, have a nice day. Do not miss it. Subscribe to English Made Simple for a new English lesson every day. Click the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in lesson 6. Goodbye for now.